Shopify login, how to log into Shopify. If you want to log into Shopify, open your browser and simply visit shopify.com first of all. Once you go ahead and then visit shopify.com, it will ask you to enter the email address. So just enter the existing email address that you have right here once you go to shopify.com, right? So you can tap on the start free trial option. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and then type in Shopify, then type in shopify.com like this, and after you've done that, tap on the three lines option from the top right, then tap on login. If you don't have an account, you can tap on start free trial, or you can tap on the login button right there. Then it will redirect you here where you can choose to log in with your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, or your Google ID, or you can simply go ahead and then enter your email address, then tap on the continue with email button. Then after you've done that, you have to go ahead and then choose your account to log in with. If it's linked with Google, you can link with that, or you can also enter your password to log in manually. This way you will be able to log into Shopify. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.